Students, 146 page number, exercise 6.5. Second problem. In first few bits are there, not necessary. All problems let us not solve. Same model. So, second problem. Second problem. Give the graphical representation of 2x minus 11 is equal to 0 in one variable and two variables. In one variable, two variable. 146 page, exercise 6.5, second problem. 2x minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Given equation is same like the first problem only. If you represent, if it is considered as a one variable, represent on the number line. If it is in terms of x and y, drawing on the graph, Cartesian plane. So now see here. In one variable means only on the number line. See here. 2x minus 11 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 11, x is equal to 11 by 2, 11 by 2 is 5.5. Represent on the number line, simple. Small problems only in this exercise, small problems are there. Objective type like. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Our value is 5.5. So this is 5.5. That's all. It will be in between 5 and 6. So approximately. That's all. If you are using the scale, equal distance 1 on 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. So you have to mark the point. Between 5 and 6 there will be 10 lines, no? So fifth line, small lines will be there between 5 and 6. See the scale. On the scale there will be 10 small lines. Small intervals, 10 intervals between 5 and 6. So after fifth one, you mark the point. That is the equation represented on the number line. That's all. So write down. This value is represented on the number line. That's all. As point P. P is the symbol. P is our required point. What is P? 5.5. So 5 between 5 and 6, take 5.5. That's all. Between 5 and 6, in the middle of the 5 and 6, there will be 5.5. So this value is represented on the number line as the point P. That's all. If you are considering two variables, we have to represent on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means x-axis, y-axis. We will get a line. Complete it. 5.5 between 5 and 6 there will be middle point, that is 5.5 over. Represented on the number line. Next, Cartesian plane. So indeed, see x is equal to 5.5 we can draw, but let us write there is no y. So I will write 0y. Because equation Cartesian means it will be in x and y. There is no y here. If you write 0y, it is nothing but no y, only x. X is equal to 5.5. So 0y is 0 only. Now, draw the horizontal line, vertical line, y-axis, horizontal line, x-axis. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Actually, for this simple equation, no need of preparing the table, but because we want some steps, so let us prepare the table also. See here. X, Y. Any three values you take. X you can't take. X is 5.5 only. X always 5.5. Y you take. Suppose Y is say 1. Say Y is 2. Y is 3. Y1 means 1 into 0, 0. So X is 5.5 only. Any xy value, suppose y is 2. 2 into 0, 0. X is 5.5. X is always 5.5. X is equal to 5.5. There is no different x value. X always 5.5. 5.5, 5.5, 5. What is y? Y may be any value. You can take y is equal to 1, 2, 3. There is no difference with y. X is 5.5. So y may be 1 or 2 or 3. Now, see here, don't write. X 5.5. X 5, y1, x 5.5. See here. Y1, x 5.5. 5.5 means between 5 and 6. This is say 5.5. 5.5 after 5 small boxes, 5 boxes you count, that will be 5.5. X value 1. This is our point. Next, x value 2, y value 5. X value, that is y value 2, x value 5.5. X 5.5 only, same will continue. Y2. Y3, x 5.5. X is 5.5, always 5.5. This is the line. I told x is equal to any constant. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 will be always parallel to y-axis. I will give that notes also after completing the exercise. 2-3 bits I will 2-3 definitions I will give. X is equal to any 1, 2, 3, 4 any number, it will be parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 5.5 like this. Suppose if it is x is equal to 5, you will get a line like this. X is equal to 4, you will get a line like this. Suppose y is equal to 3, you will get line like this, horizontal line. Y is equal to any constant will be horizontal. X is equal to any constant will be vertical. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, x is equal to k like this. Y is equal to 1 will be like this. Y is equal to 2 like this. Y is equal to 3 like this. Y is equal to any number, the line will be horizontal. So like that. X is equal to 5.5. So take x value 5.5 and draw the vertical line. Suppose y is equal to 3.5. Suppose take 3.5 here, draw the horizontal line. That's all. No need of preparing the table and all. Directly we can draw. But just for explanation, I prepared the table. Preparing the table means x we can't take any other number. In the previous when equation was given, we took x is equal to some numbers. But here x is 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. We can't take any other value. Always 5. Why you take? Why you take 1, 2, 3, any numbers you take. There is no difference with y. Even if you take y is equal to 10 also, 10 into 0 is 0. X is equal to 5.5. Y any number, x is 5.5. So x is 5.5, 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. X always 5.5. Draw the line. This is the answer. Right. Complete this. Plot these points on the graph. We get required line. That's all. This is the required line. This is our line. What is the line? X is equal to 5.5 line. That's all. Simple. X is equal to 5.5, take 5.5 and draw the vertical line with the help of scale. If it is y is equal to something, horizontal line. That concept you have to remember. Only for that concept this exercise is given. X is equal to any number parallel to y axis. Y is equal to any number parallel to x axis. Simple problems. Same model, same this model only. Third is same model. Same model. Do it fast so that because same model. Given equation is plus 8x this side minus 8x plus 2 that side minus 2 minus 5x is equal to minus 10, minus minus cancel, 10 by 5 is 2, x is equal to 2. 3x plus 2 is equal to 8x minus 8. 3x minus 8x minus 8 minus 2 minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Minus minus cancel. 10 by 5 is 2. Okay. Now, students, x is equal to 2 on the number line. First question is on the number line. X is equal to 2 on the number line means draw the line. What is meant by number line? Draw the line. On it write the numbers. That becomes the number line. See, on the line if you write 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, that is the number line. X is equal to 2, that's all. X is equal to 2. This is the point. On the number line, x is equal to 2. So at 2, mark the point. This is the answer. X is equal to 2 is represented on the number line by point P. That's all. P is the answer. X is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. That's all. 1, 2. Number line means draw the line. On it take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. That is the number line. What is where we have to mark the point? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Mark the point. That's all. Complete it. Complete it. And the second bit is Cartesian plane. Same equation we have to represent on Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. on Cartesian plane. Cartesian, what is the equation? X is equal to 2 is the equation. So take some y, because Cartesian plane means it will have x axis, y axis. Actually, this is a simple equation, no need of table also. But for getting some steps, because it's simple question, so I will take table x, y. I will take 3 values. X you can't take 1, 2, 3. X is always 2. X is 2. X is 2. X is 2. X 2 only. X is equal to 2. X 2, 2, 2, X 2 only. Why? Y any values you take. Y say 1, 2, 3. Y if you take any value, X will not change. Because if Y is 1, 1 into 0 is 0. X is equal to 2. Y is 2, 2 into 0 is 0, x is equal to 2. Y is 3, 3 into 0, 0. So y any value, x is 2 only, x is equal to 2, 2, 2, 2. X is equal to 2. X is 2 only, 2, 2, 2. Y any values you take. Without this table also we can draw this line. X is equal to any number, it will be parallel to y axis. From 2, draw the line, that is x is equal to 2 line. Otherwise, if you plot the points also same meaning. See, x2, y1. See, x2, y1. x2, y1. x2, y2. x2, y2. x2, y3. x2, y3. x2, y1, x2, y2, x2, y3. So this is the line. What is the line? X is equal to 2 line. That is the line. X is equal to 2 line. That's all. These points are plotted on the graph. By joining them, we get the required line. These points are plotted on the graph. By joining them, we get the required line. Required answer, required line. Required. These points are plotted on the graph. By joining them, we get the required line. Fourth also very simple question, small bit. Complete this first. Where is this 0 comma minus 3 point? Tell. Let us take it as A. 0 comma minus 3, x value 0, y value minus 3. See, x value 0, y value minus 3, y axis. This is the point. X value 0, y value minus 3. Zero comma minus 3, x value 0, y value minus 3. X value 0, y value minus 3, x 0, y minus 3, x 0, y minus 3, x 0, y is minus 3, see y minus 3, y value 1, 2, 3, 4, y value minus 1, this is the y axis, y minus 3 means here, x is 0, 0 means on this only. From 0 comma 3, draw a line, from this point draw a line. How to draw a line? Parallel to x-axis. So this is the x-axis. Parallel means parallel like this. So take a scale, draw a line exactly parallel to x-axis. On the graph, there will be a line, already line will be there. So on the same line you have to draw. Don't draw like this or like this. Parallel means already at minus 3, there will be a line on the graph. Passing through minus 3, there will be small line. So on that line, you draw a line, big line using the scale. So don't draw cross lines. If you draw cross, it will not be parallel. Parallel means this distance should be always same. So for that, if it is 3 means, you take one more point at 3. Take one more point at 3. 3 distance. So you join them, we will get a parallel line. So otherwise, if you are using the graph, then exactly at minus 3, there will be a line passing through minus 3 on the graph. Small line will be there. On that only draw with the scale. So that is the line. Y is equal to, this is 0 passing through 0 comma minus 3 parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Same way, 0 comma 4 parallel to x-axis. Where is that 0 comma 4? Students, where is that 0 comma 4? 0 comma 4. X value 0, y value 4. This is the point. X value 0, y value. X value 0, y value 4. 0 comma 4. Draw the line. How to draw the line? Parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means like this. It should be parallel. On the graph paper, at 4, there will be a line. See the graph paper, there will be a line at 4. So on that line, draw the big thick line using the scale. Suppose if you are not using the scale, then if you are not using the graph, then there is a chance that you will draw a line like this, you will draw a cross line. But it should be exactly parallel. Parallel means this distance is 4 means this also should be, this distance is 4. This should be 4. This should be 4. Anywhere the distance is 4. Like that you take 4, 4, 4. Like that you take some points and join. You will get a line parallel to x-axis. This is also line parallel to x-axis. This is also line parallel to x-axis. All 4 points are same. All 4 bits are same. Third point is 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. 2, x value 2, y value minus 5. Two comma minus 5. Two comma minus 5. At 2 minus 5, draw through this point, draw a line. Through C, draw a line. How to draw the line? Should we draw like this or like this or like this? No. Draw the line parallel to x-axis. That is the question. Draw the line parallel to x-axis. Parallel x-axis. Like this. Through 2 comma minus 5, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Simple. Parallel to x-axis. At 2 comma minus 5, x value 2, y value minus 5. X value 2, y value minus 5. This is the point. And on that point, there will be a line, horizontal line passing through that line. So on that line only put the scale and draw the line. That's all. Fourth bit also same. Three comma 4. X value 3, y value 4. X 3, y 4. From that point, draw the line parallel to x-axis. Same here, this line only you will get again. Same. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4, draw the line parallel to x-axis. See, this is parallel to x-axis, this is also parallel to x-axis, this is also parallel to x-axis. Again we have drawn one more line that is also parallel to x-axis. All the lines are parallel to x-axis. You know what is parallel. Parallel means distance should be same. It should not be crossed like this. Exactly. Parallel means distance should be same. So here also another line parallel to this. Here also one line parallel to this. So these are the points. Through that point, draw the line parallel to x-axis. Through this point, draw the line parallel to x-axis. Through this point, draw the line parallel. Parallel to y-axis means you will get like this. Parallel to y-axis. That question is next question, and we have 2 problems. Tomorrow I will complete, and tomorrow even